Hey there, everyone. Pastor Padron here, and today I want to do something a little bit different. I want to do a little unboxing of something that I just bought at Twins. This,
Oh,
the I Am Corona Heritage Lighter from fourth generation. Let's do a little unboxing of this baby and then put it to a little test. What do you say? Here we go. Fourth generation's Heritage I Am Corona lighter comes in a branded box for fourth generation. Let's open it up and find out what's inside. It comes in a standard I Am Corona box. Each box has a little blue tab that allows you to open the box easily and access what's inside. And inside we see a little velvet bag with the lighter inside. We'll put that aside for a minute. And then we see that it comes with a warranty card. It is guaranteed against defects for 2 years, 2-year warranty, so you're going to want to keep that. And then there is this, an instruction booklet that is literally 172 pages long. But don't freak out. It is in a bunch of different languages. English doesn't even start until page 22. And it also includes instructions for all I Am Corona lighters, not just the old boy that is in this box. Let's put those back in there and open up the lighter. We look into the bag, and the lighter comes in a little plastic bag inside. Slips right out. And there it is. Look at that. The lighter is designed after a snuff box belonging to one of, I believe it's Erik Stokkebye's grandfather. It might be a little older than that. I don't know. But it's a snuff box design, and the design has been recreated on the lighter body. It's gorgeous. Look at all that handiwork. I love all that. The design result is that you have a very nice textured lighter that's easy to hold, that won't slip in your hand. And let me show you how the lighter works on the bottom here. That screw right there is where you fill the lighter with butane. You unscrew that to get to the butane insert. That smaller screw controls the flame. And right there is a built-in tamper that comes out. You got a tamper on one end and a pick on the other. You can use the head of the tamper to unscrew the butane screw top, and you can use the pick to rotate the screw to change the size of the flame. There's also something else about this that I really like. If you pull out the tamper just a little bit and then rotate it 90 degrees,
Yes.
and pull it out, it locks into place so that you can use it as a tamper on your pipe without pulling it out completely. It's a really nice feature, and that is something that is standard on just about every I Am Corona I've seen that has a tamper inside it. All right, the lighter is real easy to use. You flip the top just like that. Whenever the top is open on these lighters, the gas is running. So you don't want to leave it open unless you're planning on using it. You have a little striker wheel right here. Okay. And all you want to do is flip the top and then flip like that. And that turns on the flame. It's a great angled flame. It's great for pipes. It's also great for cigars too. I like using a soft flame for my cigars as well. I like how it has a little bit more control than a torch does. But with a pipe, and here I have my Rattray's Outlaw right here. let's try it out and light it up, shall we? Great job. Well, and let's demonstrate the tamper here. You pull the tamper out from the bottom, twist it 90 degrees, it locks into place, and you can use it as a tamper just like that. I think that's very convenient. Again, flip the top, strike it. Nice job. Put that back. Great little lighter. If you like nice higher end lighters, this is great. I recommend IM Corona. They've been around since 1933. The Old Boy, which is the type of lighter this is, has been around since 1981 and has become kind of a standard in the pipe community. They're all made by hand. It's all made by high-end materials. They're very reliable and very enjoyable to use. Anyway, hope this video has been helpful to you, and I hope you have fun smoking today. I know I'm gonna. Stay smoky, my friends.